So we're back at Almost 7 Lawnmower Graveyard, Bluffton, Indiana. So since it's a yearly thing of me doing one of these walkthrough videos, figured I'd do it here once again. So kind of show you what's all changed here and everything. So I just kind of do a quick walk around and stuff, and you know, people like these videos, so I always, you know, decide I want to make one. So we'll just do kind of a quick walk around. Still got a lot of stuff here. He's been moving stuff around, kind of getting rid of stuff, kind of cleaning stuff up. But there's still a bunch of new inventory coming in daily. Like there's just a couple more mowers that just came in like 5 minutes ago here. So wheel horse row, there's quite a few of those still left to choose from. I don't know, we'll walk down here a little bit and maybe we'll head down over that way this time and kind of see where we end up here. Got some snappers, Bolins, Cub Cadet. There's a bunch more here that I'm probably not going to be able to show because I don't walk, you know, everywhere. Mower decks for miscellaneous things. Some Massey Fergusons. John Deere. You never really know, you know, there could be like, you know, machine you're looking for just like right there, and you gotta really look. I mean, I've been here for like 5 hours today, and I was here like 5 or 6 hours yesterday, you know, because we know the owner. So, and I'm still finding stuff just walking around, so I'll probably end up with another handful of stuff just by making this video, because that's usually how it works, is you just find something laying there and decide I want it. Some Simplicity. You know, he has some vehicles too that I believe he's selling parts off of, because I bought some car parts here too, actually. A lot of Simplicities. Actually, there's not as many as there was, but there's still quite a few here to choose from. X500 Series John Deere. Somebody asked me about one of those. There's X300 somewhere. Oh, right there. There's an X300 there, and then an X500. Has the typical broken hood. I don't know why the hoods break on those all the time. Got more Simplicities over this way. Back here is just kind of like the miscellaneous stuff. I don't think, you know, most people really should be going back here, but I am. We got a couple of these little John Deere little round fender ones left. It's kind of good to see that somebody came and must have bought a few. There was like 5 or 6 of these here last year, so that's kind of cool. Got some older model Cub Cadets here. There's quite a few of these to choose from, at least. That's nice. Then we've got the like older Simplicity garden tractor I see in front of me. Some more complete, I guess, Massey's. These are more like lawn tractor. Another look at that wheel horse row. Got a whole bunch of tire chains right there. Bunch of snow plows and stuff like that down here. Then there's a bunch of like one bottom plows, tiller and stuff like that in this area. I don't know, well, maybe we'll walk down here and maybe we'll loop around kind of like this. Commercial mowers. Oh, this thing's really big. Well, oh, just fell in a hole. Got a gun up. the Sears row, of course, you know, there's a lot less of those now than there was, because I've been buying them, and there's a few of them, like 5 or 6, that some other people I think have bought them because they're not here anymore, and they were, and I didn't buy them. Got like some walk behind tillers and stuff like that down through here. Push mowers. Couple of Case Ingersoll tractors. Looks like people have been buying those too. Oh, I guess there's a few more over here then. I just seen the couple of them here, but no, there's more. Economy Power King machines. Got Arians, however you pronounce that. GE electric ones. These are pretty cool. There's this one, and then there's another one there. There used to be a few more. Cool little homemade tractor, it looks like. That's kind of cool. Speed X. One of those. Gravely. There's a couple more of those GE electric ones down here. Those are pretty cool. Another one in front of me. Alright, well that pretty much concludes this video. Thanks for watching, and a lot more stuff coming soon.